What is up, guys? Ashley here with Handmade Haven, and today I'm showing you a quick tutorial on how to fill pocket holes. So the first thing I'm doing is just drilling in a pocket hole. As you can see, I'm using my handy dandy Kreg jig, which is one of my favorite tools. I'm on a 1.5 inch setting, and there we go, pocket hole's drilled. Once the pocket hole was drilled, I used some Gorilla Glue to put into the pocket hole, and then I took my 3/8 inch dowel and tried to fit it in the hole. Once you try to fit it in, you're going to have to use a hammer to make sure it's secure into place. So for this next step, I will be using my Dremel Multimax oscillating toolkit. It also comes with accessories and a tool bag, which I really love. I have a couple of Dremels, but I especially like this one because it has a new toolless blade change that makes it easier to change out blades. As you can see here, I'm just changing out the blade. It's a really simple operation. With just a push of a button, you can insert the blade, then turn the knob to make sure it's locked, and you're good to go. So this is the fun part. This is where I'm using my Dremel oscillating tool to actually cut the dowel. One thing to make sure to do is to not force the tool to cut it. I know sometimes with the Dremel it's easy to want to just push it to cut it, but just relax, let the tool do the job, and also make sure that you keep the surface flat so that you don't cut into the wood. But it took less than a minute to cut, and as you can see, the flush cut was great. I mean, it's awesome. And that's it. That's how I fill my pocket holes. So if you're looking for a quick and easy way to fill yours, I hope that you use this technique. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And for more projects and tutorials, check out handmade-haven.com. Alright guys, later.